Hi folks, Devin here with a quick clarification. Unbeknownst to me, somebody who doesn't pay attention to this, in November YouTube started putting ads on non-monetized channels. What that means is for somebody like me who has 400 subscribers or so, I'm not eligible to earn revenue on my content. I'm a good 500 plus subscribers and like a couple thousand hours of watch time away from being eligible, and even if I was, I would probably make like $1 a year. That said, YouTube is making money on my content. Mind you, I've consented to this by agreeing to their terms and services and continuing to post videos on their website just as much as you've consented to certain things by watching these videos. So don't feel too bad for me, but do know that I'm not the one that turned the ads on. I started this dinky channel as an outlet for my zany brain, and if I could help people learn and enjoy science a little more, all the better. Would it be nice to earn a little money from this hobby? Sure, I would be an idiot if I said no, but that's absolutely not my intention for the channel at this point. My intention is to hopefully make videos that are worth your time to watch. And as this one has basically none of that content, I'm just going to shut up. See you next time.